Hi students, welcome to Narayana PU College. In last session, we have discussed up to question number 74. Now, question number 75. If the part A is Z1, B of Z1, Z2 and C, the point A Z1, Z2 and C, the point Z3 are collinear points, then they are the collinear points. Here Z1, Z2, Z3 are the collinear points. The collinear is nothing but the light like this, they are the collinear points lying on the same line. So the collinear point should be the angle, the argument should be 0 or pi. Here the argument of Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 is equal to, here the collinear means is 0 or pi. The argument value should be, the angle should be 0 or pi. I have taken 0 or pi. But here it should be argument of Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 is equal to 0 or pi. It should be, it is a purely real. It can be written as Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 is a purely real. Here we know that the condition, if Z is purely real, Z is equal to Z bar. So after this condition, here Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 is equal to Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1. We went directly by applying bar here. Here cross multiplication here. So Z3 minus Z1 into Z2 bar minus Z1 bar is equal to Z2 minus Z1 into Z3 bar minus Z1 bar. Here option A is the correct option. Next question. So understood the argument value here, the argument theta value should be the point lying on the same line, the theta should be 0 or pi. So here it is a purely real. So we know the condition of the purely real, that is equal to Z bar, we can apply this, we are getting same thing. So the option A is the correct option. Next question, question number 76. If modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 is equal to modulus of Z3 1 and Z1 Z2 Z3 represent by the vertices of an equilateral triangle, then which of the following is not true? We have to, which one is not true? So here they have given, so Z1 is equal to, we have taken Z1 and Z2 is equal to Z1 omega. We are going to apply the modulus, we are getting modulus of Z1 only, and Z3 is equal to Z1 omega square. Here, so which one is which is not true? We have to check it, the first option here. First option what we are given here, Z1 square, so Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 0. First we have to check this option, but here Z1 value Z1 plus Z2 value Z1 omega plus Z3 Z1 omega square. So we have to put this equal to 0. We have to consider LHS here. What we have to Z1 plus Z2. I have to prove here 0 equal to 0. Here I have to take common Z1 remaining 1 plus omega plus omega square. So we are getting 0. Here also z1 into 0, what we get here? 0 is equal to 0. So first option is a true. But in second option, what they are given in second option? Option B. z1, z2, z3 is equal to 1 they have given. But here z1 what here? So z1 into z1 omega square is equal to 1. But here, so z1 cube into omega cube is equal to 1. But here z1 cube is equal to 1. So here it is not possible because z1 is a complex number, but it is not possible to get 1. But here option B is not true. It is not true. But it is true. Same thing, we have to check it in option C. Option C, what we get here? z1, z2 plus z2, z3 plus z3, z1 is equal to 0. But here z1, we have to get z1 into z1 plus z2, z1 into omega, z1 omega square plus z3, z1 omega square into z1 is equal to 0. But here z1 square plus here also z1 square omega cube plus z1 square omega square is equal to 0. But here z1 square, I have to take common remaining 1 plus omega value 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. But z1 square 1 plus 2 plus omega square. So it can be written as okay. In option C is not to find because already we are getting it is option B is not true because it is not possible to find. It is possible to find, but it also is getting a true value. But here option B is the correct option. Option B is correct option. Next question number 77. Imaginary part of 2z plus 1 divided by iz plus 1 is equal to 3. Then the locus of z is. First here let z is equal to x plus iy. Here 2z plus 1 divided by iz plus 1 is equal to 2 into x plus iy plus 1 divided by I into x plus iy plus 1. Here multiply 2x plus I into 2y plus 1 divided by ix. So I into I square value minus 1 minus y plus 1. Now here 2x plus 1 plus I into 2y divided by, we have to write directly 1 minus y plus I into x. So here rationalize, wrote 1 minus y minus ix divided by 1 minus y minus ix here. So multiplied here, you can write 2x into 1. We have to take 2x into 1, 2x minus 2xy minus I into 2x square plus 1 into 1, 1 minus y minus ix plus I into 2y multiplied here minus I into what we get minus I into 2y square minus I into I square value minus 1 minus into minus plus we are getting plus 2xy divided by 1 minus y whole square. We can write directly 1 minus y whole square. We can write directly, no problem. 1 plus y square minus 2y plus x square. Here, so first we have to separating real parts and imaginary parts here. So we check it. We have to any one is cancelled here. Here plus 2xy plus 2xy minus 2xy get cancelled again. So remaining 2x plus 1 minus y plus, I have to take common I here, remaining minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square divided by 1 plus y square minus 2y plus x square. So here 2x plus 1 minus y, separating here 1 plus y square minus 2y plus x square plus I into minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square divided by 1 plus y square minus 2y plus x square. But here what they are given? Imaginary part of 2z plus 1 by, they are given imaginary part of 2z plus 1 divided by iz plus 1 is equal to 3. But here imaginary part here only. So what we get? Minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square divided by 1 plus y square minus 2y plus x square is equal to 3. So cross multiplication, minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square is equal to 3 ones are 3 plus 3y square minus 6y plus 3x square. Now here this side what we get here? 3x square at this side, what do we get? 3x square plus 2x square, 5x square, again 2y square this side plus 5y square, again minus x this side, minus plus x, 2y, we get minus 8y, plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to take, so take common 5, what do we get here? X square plus y square plus x by 5 minus 8 by 5 into y plus 3 by 5 is equal to 0. It is in the form of general equation of the circle. If the center minus g comma minus f, it would be, so it is a x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. It is a circle. It is the circle. Here option A is the correct option. Option A is the correct option. Next question, question number 78. Here the modulus of when modulus of z is equal to 1, the point 1 plus 2z lies on. Okay. But here we have taken x plus iy, let x plus iy is equal to 1 plus 2z. We have to decide x plus iy minus 1 is equal to 2z. So x minus 1 plus iy is equal to 2z. So applying modulus on both sides, but with modulus of x minus 1 plus iy equal to modulus of 2z. So here square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 2 into mod z. Here, so square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 2 into mod z value what here they are given 1. So square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square, what we get? Y minus 1, 0 whole square we are getting, same thing. Y minus 0 also we are getting, y square only, here 2. So here squaring on both sides, what do we get? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square. It is also equation of the circle with the center h comma k. Here the center should be, what do we get center? So h comma k, 1 comma 0 and radius 2. But here what they given option? Option B is the correct option. With the circle with radius 2 and the center should be 1 comma 0. Option B is the option B is the correct option. Next question. Question number 79. Question number 79. The region represented by the inequality modulus of 2z minus 3i is less than modulus of 3z minus 2i is. Okay. Let here also let z is equal to x plus iy, modulus of 2 into x plus iy minus 3i is less than 3 into x plus iy minus 2y. Now here what we get? 2x plus I into 2y minus 3 we can directly 2x plus I into 2y minus 3 less than 3x plus I into 3y minus 2. Now apply modulus here. Square root of 4x square plus 2y minus 3 whole square less than square root of, after applying modulus, 9x square plus 3y minus 2 whole square. So squaring on both sides. So what we get? Squaring on both sides, 4x square plus 4y square we are getting, now applying formula here, plus 9 minus 2 to the 4 3 the 12y less than. So 9x square plus 9y square plus 4 minus 3 to the 6 to the minus 12y, 12y minus 12y get cancelled. So remaining 4x square plus 4y square plus 9 is less than 9x square plus 9y square plus 4. Here this side what we get? 4x square minus 9x square, we are getting minus 5x square, 4y square minus 9y square into minus 5y square is less than 4, we are getting that side minus 9, 4 minus 9 getting minus 5. Dividing throughout by minus 5, the inequality should be changes. We later have discussed in the chapter of inequality those concepts. So dividing throughout by minus 5, the inequality should be changes. So divided throughout by minus 5, we are getting x square plus y square is greater than 1. Here, so the value should be x square plus y square greater than 1. Here center at 0 comma 0 and radius it is also greater than 1. For example, we have taken circle the center at origin and it is also greater than 1, it should be like this. The value should be here only because to give the values always greater than 1, but here the circle, the exterior of the unit circle with center at z is equal to 0. Here option B is the correct option because we have to apply give the values, it gives also greater than 1, it is distance should be 1 comma 0. It is a unit circle. It always greater than we are getting exterior of the circle. The option B is the exterior of the circle with exterior of the unit circle with center at 0. Option B. Question number 80. If modulus of square root of 2z minus 3 plus 2i is equal to modulus of z modulus of sine pi by 4 plus argument z1 plus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus argument of z1, where z1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 3 into I. Then the locus of z is, here first we have to find the argument of z1. So z1 they are given. So argument of z1 is equal to tan inverse of modulus of y by x. Here 1 by root 3 by 1, we are getting tan inverse of 1 by root 3 here. So tan inverse of 1 by root 3, that should be pi by 6. So both should be plus. If both lies on first coordinate, the argument of that should be theta only. The argument of that one is equal to pi by 6. Here modulus of here pi by 6. So here modulus of, we have to take common root 2 here. What do we get here? Root 2 z minus 3 plus 2i by root 2 is equal to modulus of z modulus of sine pi by 4 plus argument of z1 value pi by 6 plus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus argument of z1 value pi by 6. Here modulus of z sine of, take LCM here, 624 by 6 pi plus 4 we are getting 10 pi by 24, here 5 pi by 12 plus cos of, here also we are getting 7 pi by 12. Here modulus of z sine of pi by 12 plus here, so modulus of z into modulus of sine 5 pi by 12 plus cos of 1 pi by 12. Modulus of z, we know that sine 5 pi by 12 value 75 degree, sine 75 degree plus 7 pi by 12 value cos 105 degree. Mod z, we know that sine 75 degree square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus it written like this cos of 90 plus 15 degree. Now here modulus of z square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus sine 15 degree. So modulus of z square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus square root of means sine 15 degree value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Here mod z modulus of take 2 root 2 LCM remaining root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1, where modulus of z root 3 get cancelled, remaining 1 plus 1 2 2 to get cancelled, remaining 1 by root 2. So modulus of z into 1 by root 2, but here we are getting root 2 value, so it can be written as like this modulus of z minus 3 minus 2i by root 2 is equal to modulus of z by 1 by modulus of 1 by root 2 into root 2. We are getting 2 only. It can be written as z minus 3 minus 2i by root 2 divided by mod z is equal to 1 by 2. Let z is equal to, as I have known, the condition is there, that modulus of z plus a plus ib by modulus of z is equal to some constant. Then let z modulus of z plus a plus ib by modulus of z is equal to some constant. The z lies on the locus of point on a circle. The z lies on the locus of a point at the circle. Z lies on locus of point at circle. Here option A is the correct option. Sorry, option B is the correct option. Option B is correct option. Question number 81. If z1 and z2 are two complex numbers and if argument z1 plus z2 by z1 minus z2 is equal to pi by 2, but modulus of z1 plus z2 is not equal to modulus of z1 minus z2, then the figure formed by the points represented by 0, z1, z2 and z1 plus z2 is. So here they are given the figure forms the points by represented by a rectangle. Here the point A 0, point B z1 is a point C z1 plus z2 and the point D z2. Here join A to C, so it should be z1 plus z2 only, because AC is equal to z1 plus z2 and DB z1 minus z2, but here is also z1, here this one also z1, z2, z2. It is represented points in the figure. Here they given modulus of z1 plus z2 is not equal to modulus of z1 minus z2, but here AC is perpendicular to BD, because the argument of z1 plus z2 by z1 minus z2 is pi by 2. The pi by 2 is nothing but here the AC is perpendicular to BD, but AC is not equal to BD here, because they are given modulus of z1 plus z2 is not equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. AC is not equal to BD, but it can be formed a it can be forms a rhombus but not square, because AC is not equal to BD. If AC is equal to BD, it forms a square, but it only rhombus. It is perpendicular to each other. This angle should be 90 degree. It is only rhombus but not a square. Option C is the correct option. Next question number 82. Question number 82. If log base root 3 modulus of z square minus modulus of z plus 1 divided by 2 plus modulus of z is greater than 2, then the locus of z is, okay, here already we know that, so log a babies b is equal to c, it can be written as like this, so b is equal to a power c. But here applying that one, that formula, so here it can be written as modulus of z whole square minus modulus of z plus 1 divided by 2 plus modulus of z is greater than root 3 whole square. Now here modulus of z whole square minus modulus of z plus 1 by 2 plus modulus of z is greater than, square root cancel, remaining 3. Now here modulus of z square minus modulus of z plus 1 it is greater than 3 to the 6 plus 3 into modulus of z. Here modulus of z whole square minus modulus of z it is minus 3 into modulus of z is greater than 6 minus only getting 5. Here modulus of z whole square minus 4 into modulus of z is greater than 5. Here modulus of z whole square minus 4 into modulus of z minus 5 is greater than 0. Now here modulus of, factorize here, modulus of z square minus 5 into modulus of z plus modulus z minus 5 is greater than 0. Here modulus of z we take common, remaining modulus of z minus 5, here plus 1 modulus of z minus 5 is greater than 0. Now modulus of z plus 1 modulus of z minus 5 greater than 0, it is not possible because modulus of z is now plus 1 is greater than 0, but here, so modulus of z minus 5 is greater than 0, so modulus of z is greater than 5. Here option C is the correct option. Question number 83. Z is equal to lambda plus 3 minus I into square root of 5 minus lambda square. Then the locus of z is, let z is equal to x plus iy, comparing x value lambda plus 3 and y value minus square root of 5 minus lambda square. Here x minus 3 is equal to lambda, squaring on both sides, look at x minus 3 whole square is equal to lambda square. Here also squaring on both sides, y square is equal to 5 minus lambda square. But here y square you can decide y square lambda square is equal to 5 minus y square. Here y square is equal to 5 minus lambda square. Beside lambda square plus y square is equal to 5. But we know that lambda square here x minus, we have to take from 1. So 1 becomes x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 5. But it can be written as also x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to square root of 5 whole square. It is in the general equation of the circle, that is that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where center is h comma k and radius r. But here and radius r, but here center in this equation the center should be 3 comma 0 and radius r is equal to square root of 5. It is the equation of the circle. Option A is the correct option. Question number 84. The curve represented by imaginary part of z square is equal to k, where k is a non-zero real number. Here let z is equal to x plus iy, but z square is equal to x plus iy whole square. X square minus I square into y square. We are writing minus y square plus I into 2x y. But here the imaginary part of z square is equal to k. They are given. So imaginary z square here, imaginary part of z square here, imaginary part of z square is equal to here 2xy, but imaginary part of z square is equal to by the given k. So 2xy is equal to k, but xy is equal to k by 2. The k by 2 is a constant, so it is an hyperbola. So it is a rectangle hyperbola. Later we have discussed the concept of the hyperbola. So it is xy is equal to the form of c. It is an xy is equal to constant. It is rectangle hyperbola. Then the equation is the hyperbola. Here option D is the correct option. Next question. Question number 85. If A, B, C are integers, no two of them being equal, and omega is the complex cube root of unity, then the minimum value of. So here they are given A plus B omega plus C omega square is, but we know that the value omega is equal to omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Substitute the values here. So A plus B omega plus C omega square is equal to modulus of A plus B into omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 plus C into omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Here we have take 2 LCM here, meaning 2A plus multiplied here minus B plus I into B root 3 plus again minus C plus I into C root 3, sorry here minus I into C root 3 by 2 divided by 2. Now here we are separating the real parts and imaginary parts here. So 2A minus B minus C divided by 2 plus I into, we take common root 3, I into remaining B minus C divided by 2. By applying modulus here, we get to come outside 1 by 2, remaining square root of 2a minus b minus c whole square plus a square root of 3 will be 3 square root of 3 whole square will be 3 into b minus c whole square. Now 1 by 2 square root of a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square 4a square plus b square plus c square minus, so 2ab plus 2ab, 2a value 4a minus 4ab plus 2bc minus 4ac plus 3 into we have to apply directly formula b square plus c square minus 2bc. We can directly 3b square plus 3c square minus 6bc minus 6bc. Here 1 by 2 square root of 4a square plus b square plus 3b square 4b square plus 4c square minus 4ab minus 4ab 2bc minus 4bc minus 4bc minus 4ac तो 4ca. Here we have to take common 4, we get the outside we get 2, 2 get cancelled, remaining, so 1 by 2 into 4 we get outside 2 into square root of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca or ac. 2 get cancelled. So here in square root of, here we have to divide and multiply 2 a square here 1 by 2 root 2 outside root 2 by 2 square root of, here 2a square is there, here can be a square plus a square, here 2b square a square plus b square plus b square, here 2a square plus b square minus 2ab, it can be written as a minus b whole square plus, again here 1b square is there, b square plus 2c square, we can take 1c square plus c square minus 2bc, it can be written as b minus c whole square plus again a square plus c square minus 2ca, here a minus c whole square. Here square root of 2 so in question they are given clearly a can be the integer, no two of them being equal, a is not equal to b or b is not equal to c or c is not equal to a. If we want the minimum value, let we have taken let a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. Here it can be written as, so square 1 by root 2 to square root of, because root 2 whole square root, it can be remaining 1 by root 2. So a value 0 minus 1 whole square plus b value 1 minus 2 b minus c whole square plus a value 0 minus 2 whole square. Here 1 by root 2 square root of 0 minus 1 minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 also 1 plus 4. So 1 by root, it can be root 6. So it can be written as square root of 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3, we are getting square root of 3. Here option B is the correct option. The minimum value should be root 3. Next question number 86. The locus z if real part of z plus 1 is equal to modulus of z minus 1 is. Here let z is equal to x plus iy, z plus 1, z plus 1 is equal to x plus iy plus 1, so x plus 1 plus iy. But here real part of z plus 1 is equal to x plus 1, but they given real part of z plus 1 is equal to modulus of z minus 1. So the real part of z plus 1 is equal to modulus of z minus 1. But real part of z plus 1 is x plus 1 is equal to modulus of x plus iy minus 1. X plus 1 is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus iy. X plus 1 is equal to square root of, applying modulus formula, square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides, x plus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 1, square root it cancel, remaining x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Now applying formula a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square. Here x square x get cancelled, plus 1 get cancelled, remaining. So this side what we get, y square is equal to 2x plus 2x, we are getting 4x. This is the equation of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. We later have discussed in the context section. So it is an equation of parabola. It is an equation of parabola. Here option A is the correct option. Next question number 87. The points representing the complex numbers z for which modulus of z plus 4 whole square minus modulus of z minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 lies on. Here let z is equal to x plus iy. So here x plus, substitute x plus iy plus 4 whole square minus x plus iy minus 4 whole square is equal to 8. Here x plus 4 plus iy whole square minus x minus 4 plus iy. We are separating real parts and imaginary parts here. Now already we know that modulus of z value square root of modulus of x plus iy value square root of x square plus y square. But here modulus of z square value x square plus y square can directly here. So x plus 4 whole square plus y square minus of x minus 4 whole square plus and minus y square is equal to 8. Now here plus y square minus y square get cancelled, remaining applying a plus b whole square formula, x square plus 16 plus 8x minus of, directly minus x square minus 16 plus 8x is equal to 8, but here plus 16 minus 16 get cancelled, plus x square minus x square get cancelled, 8x plus 8x 16x is equal to 8, but x is equal to 1 by 2. And only we are getting the value only x is equal to 1 by 2, the graph like this only. So, origin the point 1 by 2 0.5 like this, 1 by 2 1 like this, the value x is equal to 1 by 2 is a point of x, y value is 0. So, here the line is parallel to y axis, but here option B is the correct option, because it is a straight line. It is a straight line parallel to y axis. Here option B is the correct answer. This question number 88. If modulus of z plus z bar is equal to modulus of z minus z bar, then the locus of z is, here let z is equal to x plus iy or a plus ib, z bar should be x minus, a conjugate should be x minus iy. So, modulus of z value x plus iy plus x minus iy is equal to z value x plus iy, we can directly minus of, we can apply the minus of minus x plus iy. Here iy plus iy minus we get cancel, remaining modulus of 2x is equal to, here plus x minus get cancel, remaining modulus of 2 into I 2y. Now here square root of 4x square is equal to square root of 4y square, squaring and both we are getting 4x square is equal to 4y square, 4 get cancelled, but x square is equal to y square, but x is equal to plus or minus square root of y, we are getting square root of y square, we are getting y only, but here x is equal to y and x is equal to minus y. But here we are getting the equation of straight line, we are getting here a pair of straight lines. Here option A is the correct option, because we are getting a pair of straight lines. Option A is the correct answer. Remaining questions we discuss next session.